Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 27 power 5 minus 27 to the power 4. So, what do we do? I can start by expressing this 5 as summation of 4 and 1 because we already have 4 here. So this will be 27 to the power 4 plus 1 minus 27 to the power 4. Now, if you have a to the power x plus y equals a to the power x times a to the power y, right? So we apply same here. We have 27 to the power 4 times 27 to the power 1 minus 27 to the power 4. From here, we can factor out 27 power 4 because it's common. We have 27 to the power 4 times this will divide 27 power 4 that we have factored out, and it's going to give us 27. Remember, 27 is the same as 27 power 1 minus this divides this again, we have 1. So from here, we have 27 to the power 4 times 27 minus 1, this is 26. So to evaluate this further, we can express 27 in terms of 3. 27 equals 3 times 3 times 3. And this is 3 to the power of 3. Substituting this particular 3 over 3 for 27 here, we have 3 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 4 times 26. And if you have a to the power of x to the power of y equals a to the power of x times y, we multiply this. So we have 3 to the power of 12 times 26. What then is the value of 3 to the power of 12? We can have 3 to the power of 12 as 3 to the power of 10 plus 2. So we have 3 to the power of 10 plus 2 times 26. Also, remember, a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So from here, we have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 26. Now what then is the value of 3 power 10? 3 power 10 equals 3 to the power of 5 times 2, which is 3 to the power of 5 to the power of 2. And 3 to the power of 5 is 243. And this is raised to the power of 2. So this simply means 243 times 243. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1, 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 carry over 1, 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. We add up. This is 9, this is 4, this is 20, 0 carry over 2. 11 plus this is 9, this is 5, 90, 4, 9. So from here, this is 59049. 3 power 2, that is 9 times 26. So let's multiply this out. 59049 times 9. 59049 times 9 9 times 9, 81. 8 carry over 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36. 36 plus 8, 44. 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, 45 plus 8, 53. 531441 times 26. We need to multiply this by 26. So we have 531441 times 26. We start with 6. So we have 6 times 1, that is 6. 6 times 4, that is 24. 4 carry over 2. 6 times 4 again, 24 plus 2, 26. 6 carry over 2. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 3, 18. 8 carry over 1. 6 times 5, that is 30. 30 plus 1. After 31, we consider 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 4. 8, 2 times 4 again. 8, 2 times 1. 2, 2 times 3. We have 6. 2 times 5. We have 10. It's time to add. This will bring it down. That is 6. This is 6. This will be 14. 4 carry over 1 add here. This is 17. 7 carry over 1 add to 11. 1 carry over 1 add here. 8, 3, 1. So this is our answer, and this is 13,817,166. That is 27 to the power 5 minus 27 to the power 4. This is 13,817,466, and we have achieved this without the use of calculator. If you want to simplify this, this is just 3 power 3, that is 27 to the power 5, minus 3 power 3, 27 to the power 4, equals 13,817,466. And by multiplying these exponents, you have 3 power 15 minus 3 power 12 equals 13,817,466. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it without a calculator. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Drop a comment. Goodbye.